Hi there, welcome to this channel. If you wrote jam today, or you have someone who did, and you have heard about the use of English questions that came out, you would hear that adjective clusters or order of adjective was one of the questions that surfaced. Okay, so in this video, all I want to do is give you a trick for ordering adjectives. A trick. So, when we have a group of adjectives, sometimes the way we order it determines the meaning of the adjectives. The way we order the adjectives determine the meaning. Okay, so and that is why you're usually being tested on these order of adjectives. So we have the trick I'm going to be teaching you is OSAS comp. OSAS comp with O standing for opinion, S standing for size, A age, S for shape. And don't misplace these two for each other. The first S is size, second S is shape. So size always comes before shape. And we have color, we have origin, and we have material, and we have purpose. Now you see, beginning with opinion. Now opinion is subjective. Opinion is what? Subjective. So when you read the question, then you see one of the adjectives is very subjective. Very subjective in the sense that it depends on the sayer, the person looking at it. To you, it might not be like that. For example, beautiful. Okay, so that's why they say beautiful. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Handsome. All those words. Is that okay? Stylish. Elegant. All these words. They are what? They are subjective. So they are people's opinion of a particular thing. So so because of that, we say they are subjective. They are subjective, like I said. Okay, so that's opinion. And we have size. We have big. We have small. We have minute. Minute. We have minuscule. etc. Is that okay? Then we also have for the age. We have old. We have young. We have new. We have modern. We have anachronistic. Anachronistic means ancient. Is that okay? One of the words, by the way, that came out today is parsimonious. Parsimonious. All right. Before I tell you the meaning, I would like you to drop the meaning in the comment section. Either the antonym or the synonym. One of them, one of whether I can't remember if it's the antonym or the synonym, but whichever one came out, just drop whichever one you know to about parsimonious down in the comment section. In fact, you can do well to drop the antonym and synonym on the comment section. Then the other questions that came out, so you can reach me out on 09021416307. This is for those who are yet to write their exam. Is that okay? That's my WhatsApp line. Okay, like I said that these guys like that. So those are for age. Then we have for shape. We have oval. We have square, rectangular, triangular. Is that okay? Then another word that you might see is slender, thin. So these words refer to shape. Is that okay? Then color. So we all know color. We all red, blue, yellow. All those guys. Is that okay? Then we have origin. O for origin. So you could have Italian, Nigerian, American, French. All these words are what? They refer to, they are adjectives. Is that okay? They are adjectives. And they mean origin of a thing. Then we have material, which is the stuff something is made of. So for example, wooden, we could have plastic. Is that okay? We could have rubber material, etc. Do you understand now? So these are all materials under material. Then we have purpose. So, for example, purpose is quite sometimes difficult for students to understand. Now, the purpose of something is what that thing serves. For example, my bathing, bathing, bathing. What's it called? My you could say my bathing slippers or my swimming trunk. I have, for example, swimming trunk. So we have the trunk, which is the clothes itself. Then for swimming, is that okay? So this swimming is going to be purpose. So that is purpose. So we have them. They are called genitive adjectives. So genitive adjectives. See, this such word as this is a genitive adjective. But let me not bother you with the type here. Just know that this kind of word, or you have something like sleeping clothes. So it's my sleeping clothes, such as your pajamas. So your sleeping clothes, the word there, the word sleeping there is going to be a purpose. It's going to be an adjective that describes clothes. Is that okay? The cloth rather. And remember, this is clothes. This is the verb. And this is cloth. This is the noun. Is that okay? So then, so just like we have breathing. So this one ends with E, is the verb, and breath. You have bad breath. This is the noun. Is that okay? All right, so let's take on some examples so I can know how we use this principle, OSASCOMP. Don't forget, OSASCOMP. It works every time for JAMB questions. It works every time. Now let's take a question. Let's take a question. Hallelujah. We have a beautiful.
I said they have done their work, they have done the life.
Which work?
I said they have done their work.
Okay. What they were supposed to do, right?
Yes.
Give me that. Give me this. No, ma. All right. We have a beautiful, small. You can close that window. Close that curtain, rather. Drop the curtain. It's a beautiful, small, round Nigerian wooden sleeping stool. All right. And if you have something like this, let's see if it ticks our OSASCOMP. There are two options. We have this, and we have a Nigerian sleeping red wooden round beautiful small stool. So we have this. Now, looking at this, number two, this second option, if this was A, this was B, this second option is going to be very wrong, because once you see beautiful, you know that beautiful is supposed to be opinion, right? So since it's opinion and it's coming almost last, you know it's wrong. Look at in Nigerian. Nigerian is origin. Nigerian is origin, and origin falls here. Is that okay? The first one is opinion. Next O is origin. Don't forget that. So this, let's see if the first one ticks our you know, our boxes. We have a beautiful. Beautiful is opinion. We have small. Small is size. Okay. We have shape. Round is shape, or shape is round rather. Then Nigeria, which is origin. Then we have wooden, which is material, and sleeping, which is purpose, which the stool serves. So it means that A is the answer. Is that okay? Let's take another example. The second example says a leather, black, stylish, Italian bag, and is stylish, black, Italian leather bag. Okay, so when you have something like this, for the first one, you have a leather. What is leather? Leather is what? Leather is a material. So material is coming first. So this is definitely wrong. You see, I didn't even check all the options. Just check the first cluster there. The first of the cluster there, which is leather in this case. Leather is material, which comes last. Let's see this one. It's stylish. Stylish is opinion. Is that okay? Stylish is someone's opinion of a particular thing. Something might be stylish to me, might not be stylish to you. For example, this chair, the way this chair is designed is stylish to me, might not be stylish to you. Is that okay? So that is opinion. We have black, which is color. That makes sense to come after opinion. Italian origin. Italian origin. So it makes sense also. Then leather, material coming after origin. That's correct. So the second one is the correct option. Is that okay? Now, I'm going to drop a question here and then you give me your answer in the comment section. Number 3, a heavy, I'm not going to solve this, a heavy old square Chinese wooden box or an old heavy Chinese square wooden box. So drop your answer in the comment section. Which of these is correct? Option A or option B? Then the question that came out today, this came out. Beautiful, which is the correct order. Beautiful, the correct order of the one that came out today is what I'm giving now. Beautiful, new, black, German, dress. You see, it takes it opinion, new, age, black, color, German origin, and dress now. Okay, so this ticks our Osascom boxes. So we have the last one is compound adjective. Just in case this comes out, I'll show in yours. So I just want to treat this very quickly in 1 minute. Now we have a 10, for example, we could have a 10-year-old boy or a 10 years old boy or a 10 years old boy or a 10-year-old boy. Now the first thing is this option D. You should rule it out because your noun should not be hyphenated with your adjective. Then this one also. Now it should not be a 10 years. You never pluralize adjective. Remember, never. And put that here. You never pluralize adjectives. Never do that. Okay, so the correct answer here is going to be option A because a 10-year-old. Now this together is one adjective, represents one adjective. It's a compound adjective. So, and they describe boy. Now this second one, don't pluralize adjectives, so that's why it's not correct. And also don't hyphenate the noun with the word. So we could also have, consider these two examples also, 5-man team or 5-men team. So remember, don't pluralize adjectives, so you should put 5-man team. 5-man team. Another one is 5-star hotel. You could have it like this, 5-star hotel or 5-star hotel. Which one is correct? No, it's not 5 stars, of course. So, but this one is wrong because the noun is hyphenated with the adjective. So the correct form is this. All right. Then, so for parsimonious now, if you stick to the end of the video too, that's one of the benefits. Is that okay? Parsimonious that came out. The meaning of parsimonious is the word parsimon, or parsi, I think, means lacking. No, not lacking. Stingy. Stingy. Is that okay? So other words that will mean this will be frugal. Frugal. Someone that is frugal is stingy. The person is which other words do we use for frugal, for stingy, for you can also say the person is meticulous in spending. Is that okay? But that's very unlikely that is an option for you. It's very unlikely to be an option. The most likely options are frugal, stingy, um, non-generous. So it means the opposite of this will be what? The opposite now. So this will be antonyms now. Antonyms. These ones are synonyms. Synonyms. But the antonyms will become what? Generous, philanthropic. Alright. Okay, if you have any other words like that, I can't really remember words now. So drop them in the comment section to assist others. God bless you as you subscribe to this channel and share the video with your friends. Don't forget to reach me on this. If you need there are some questions I've gotten that came out today. So if you need them, you can always reach me on WhatsApp. God bless you as you do so. Amen.